Hello, hello, and welcome back to Jillies Nails. Today we are going to do a cute little heart and lace manicure. It's a quick one, it's an easy one. We're just going to go at it. This plate came from a set that I bought from Pueen. I think it's the white set. If you go online on Amazon and look, I'll link it below for you. But it's a set that's in a little white case. It has, I don't know, I think about 20 plates in each one. They're really awesome, and I highly recommend those plates. And the first thing we're going to do is go through and use the liquid latex, paint around all the edges because I am going to stamp with the straight up black from Maniology, and I do not want to get that in my cuticles. My cuticles will suck up black nail polish like a fiend. I also recently discovered that painting this behind my nails and trying to keep it up close to the nail, not too low, otherwise it sticks to the table. But painting it behind the nail makes it so much easier to get it off and so less likely for the polish to fold back in on itself and get on your nail when it's like a little string or piece that went off onto the latex. And I haven't really gone over this too much. I mean, I know I've talked about it, but when you have a new plate set, there is a blue film. There could be a clear film on there. So if you cannot get the plate to pick up at all, if it's just kind of smearing and smudging around, double check because there might be a clear layer on it. And then I'm going in with acetone in my little claw to clean all the sticky off the plate from the blue. I have a old paper towel here. I'm trying to quit wasting so many paper towels. And I'm just going to go through and pick up the first image. Image? It's an image. It's lace and hearts. And you might notice as you look at my nails that they're a little bit shorter, and that's because I bragged about them and said they were beautiful. So, of course, I broke them all. My fault completely. Well, the first two breaks were not, they just broke. But I might have peeled off gel polish, and it's the thing. I know I'm not supposed to do it, but I did it and I broke all my nails. Or I should say, they all broke within a couple days. So I am going to have a video soon that is a grow out video. So keep your eyes peeled for that so you can see what tips and tricks I use to make my nails grow. I'm going through now and just peeling everything off. I'm using my little latex booger so I can grab the next one and go over and just pull it all off. And as you can see, a little bit got on the cuticles, but it's not too bad. The cleanup on it was still kind of a pain. That black polish, man, it just loves to smear once you put acetone on it. And if it's in my cuticles soak it up. They love it. So it did make kind of a mess, but it also cleaned up fairly. It was okay. It took a little bit of work. And I want to point out while I'm doing this, if you look at my index finger, you can see through the polish. I can't think of the name of that right now. I know I put it in the video, so just, it's there. It is a 2-coat polish. It couldn't get away with 1 coat. And I'm going in with a paparazzi glitter topper here that's gold to try to fill in the hearts a little bit more. That big one just kind of looked like a black smudge. Um, and it might just be because of the length of my nails, you couldn't really tell that it was a heart. So I wanted to fill them in just a little bit. And the end result of that was I did not like it. So you'll see shortly I'm going to go in with a different gold polish and fill it in. And the one that I fill it in with is more of a gold foil polish. It's the Sinful Colors. It's a gold from Vanessa Hudgens, one of her lines. And it's beautiful on this. It works so well. There it is. That's actually one of my favorite gold polishes ever. It is gorgeous on a nail. It just has just that right amount of kind of foil depth and texture to it, and it's also very opaque. A lot of gold polishes, in my opinion, they make them metallic-y and they get streaky. And I don't personally care for a metallic finish, but this little foiled finish is lovely on here, and I really enjoy this nail. So I just went through and kind of painted inside the line so you have kind of a double layer, which I'm pretty impressed with myself because I'm not big on hand painting. So there it is. That is how it all came out. I thought it was really cute. Let me know what you think, or if there are any other designs you want to see. And if you look in the upper right hand corner right now, you can go ahead and click on another video to watch that's similar to this. So keep on watching. I really appreciate you. Thanks for watching.